Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Femida Channa, lecturer zoology. Dear students, today I am going to deliver a lecture about nucleic acid from first year biology subject. Nucleic acid. Now let's start. First time observed by Friedrich Messinger 1869 from the nucleus of pus cell. Why that is known as nucleic acid? Because they are found or observed by Friedrich in a nucleus of pus cell, therefore they are known as nucleic. And why that is known as acid? Because their nature is acidic, therefore that is known as nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is a polynucleotide joined together through phosphodiester bond. They are present in a nucleus. Nucleic acid present in all living organisms. There are two types of nucleic acid: DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid; RNA, ribonucleic acid. DNA is mostly found in the chromatid of cell nucleus. RNA 90% of present in cell cytoplasm and remaining 10% present in the nucleolus and cytonucleolus of the nucleus. The basic unit of nucleic acid is nucleotide. It is a concern with a protein synthesis. What is nucleotide? It is a fundamental unit of nucleic acid. It is made up of three basic components: pentose sugar, nitrogen bases, and phosphoric acid. Now let's start pentose sugar. What is it? 5 carbon containing sugar, that is known as pentose sugar. Sugar present in nucleic acid also known as ribose sugar. Now deoxyribose sugar and ribose sugar. Ribose sugar present in RNA, deoxyribose sugar present in DNA. What is different between both sugar? Only different between in oxygen molecule. Ribose sugar containing 5 carbon, 10 hydrogen and 5 oxygen molecules, but in deoxyribose sugar 1 oxygen is removed from the oxygen, therefore they are the deoxyribose sugar. Nitrogenous base. It is a two groups of nitrogen base, purine and pyrimidines. Purine contain adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine contain uracil, cytosine, thymine. Now let's phosphoric acid start. In this figure shows the purine, their examples: adenine structure, their ring structure, their and that is guanine, and the pyrimidines, thymine and cytosine showing in this figure. And here this shows the structure. They contain all these presents. Phosphoric acid, it adds to nucleosides to form a nucleotide by means of 3,5 linkage. Now nucleotide formation, how they are formed? They are formed in complete in two steps. The first step is known as nucleoside, and second step the nucleotide is formed. In nucleoside, how their nucleoside is formed? They are combination of pentose sugar with nitrogenous base to form a nucleoside. Okay, in this sugar showing, this is a sugar molecule and these are the nitrogenous base: adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. They are showing in assembles. They are attached with each other, they are combined, they form a result is nucleoside. In the second step, nucleoside combined with which thing? Combined with this phosphate group or phosphoric acid group. They form a nucleotide, that is showing in this figure. And in this figure the structure of nucleotide is a prism, in which this is a phosphoric acid, that is a nitrogenous base, that is a sugar molecule. They are combined together, they all three, they form a nucleotides. In between both, which bond is present? That bond is known as phosphate ester bond. Difference between DNA and RNA showing in this table, that is a comparison between the DNA and RNA. DNA is a double strand, double helical structure, that is a present nucleus mostly, but some present in the cytoplasm. DNA consists deoxyribose sugar, they contain phosphoric acid. RNA is a single strand structure present mainly in cytoplasm, but some in nucleus is present also. They contain ribose sugar, they contain phosphoric acid, they contain a different nitrogen bases, that is uracil. They are found in RNA, not in DNA. In this figure showing the RNA structure and DNA structure. DNA is a double helical structure showing in this figure, and RNA is a single strand structure. And RNA consists of uracil, adenine, guanine, cytosine, but DNA consists of cytosine, guanine, adenine, thymine. Thymine is absent in RNA. Please share your feedbacks or comments. Thanks to all watching this video. Allah Hafiz.